welcome back to Quizilla Zone.
Find the odd one out. Number and letters edition. Let's get started. Find the letter P. Good job. Find the letter V. Amazing! Find the letter O. Find the letter F. Find the letter Z. Find the letter W. Eagle eye. Find the number 8. Find the number 6. So difficult. Find the letter O. Find the letter Z. Good game!
Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.